Hi, it's Terry.coatney, Coldwell Banker Realtor here in Vienna, West Virginia. Well, I know spring is here now and summer's fast approaching, and a lot of us are thinking about doing the spring cleaning, getting everything ready. So if you like these videos that I provide, yeah, how about hitting that like and subscribe button? I would really appreciate it. So let's go over 9 different things that you may be missing on when you're thinking about your spring clean. So I'll just briefly touch on them. First of all, you need to clean your vacuum. Change the filter, make sure all those ends and things are all unclogged. And then the second thing you want to do is to make sure that when you're cleaning that you get underneath the tables and get underneath the chairs and clean all those under surfaces where you don't really see. And if you got little children, those hands are going underneath there and there's goo and gunk and other things stuff there. It's a good time in the spring. A lot of different cities have paint collection where you can take in your unused paints and adhesives and all those things. So get that clutter and get it out to those places where they can be properly disposed of. Another thing, go through your pantry, get rid of all your outdated product. My wife's good at doing that. The fifth thing, how about all those cracks and crevices, especially there where the stove meets the countertop? There's a lot of stuff that can end up there. If you have a table with leaves in it that you use all the time, they could have cracks and debris and goo and gump, and you need to take a toothbrush and some baking soda and water and clean all those little places. The sixth thing is give your plants a good shower. Take them outside now and get them hosed off, those interior plants that have dust on them. How about that old trash can out there? Is it a little ripe? How about disinfecting it and cleaning that? And then one of the eighth thing is one I didn't really think about is disinfect all your doorknobs and your switch plates. Wipe them all down, get them all clean. Sometimes you even have to take them off and soak them in the sink, but that can be done. And the last thing is, how about that garbage can? It could be a little ripe. So these are all good things to think about as you get your spring cleaning, get the house sparkling, smelling good, and let that fresh spring air in and get ready for summer. Hope you have a great day, and if you're thinking about buying or selling your home, give me a call, and I can look at some of the details and the numbers and provide you some guidance. Hope you're having a great day, and look to talking to you real soon.